everyone already knows about this device in front of me right now. It's a very familiar face. You know what it is. Samsung Galaxy S21. What's going on? Why now? Why am I reviewing this phone in particular just right now? It's been years, really, Roo. When was this phone released? It's been that long now. 2 years. 2 years, Zach. So right now, why right now? Well, I'll tell you why. It's this smartphone right here. It's the perfect balance between value and quality. Right now, 2022, this phone came out with an original price of $799, but you can get refurbished ones up to $400 and even secondhand for much cheaper. Actually, we got this unit for only around $339. So you all know how basically iPhones are immortal. They are the immortal smartphones. They never die. I bet you $1,000, alright? I bet you there's someone out there. That uses an iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, iPhone 6 even. Why is that? Where are we right now? Is the number of the current iPhone 14? 2022 iPhone 5. Really, Roo, can you believe it? And what if I told you that Samsung is running second place in here when it comes to immortal smartphones? Last time we featured the Samsung Galaxy S9, which I was not able to review or take a look at, but our friend MK is the one who actually went in depth into the Samsung S9. The thing's still pumping strong, still very usable. Went toe to toe with the modern mid-range. Have you seen that video? And now this, a phone that will prove himself immortal. I will use this as my daily driver for the next 5 years to come. Let's beat that. I mean, I personally, I don't know how long it'll last, but yeah, I hope it will last long, of course. But the point still stands, alright? Really, Roo? Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm a smartphone enthusiast. This is my job. And with that being said, we're not going to review this phone in depth. We're just going to breeze throughout the features, the specs, you know. 6.2 inches of display, and people have been rambling about how it's plastic at the back. Yes, it's plastic at the back. It's glass, it's polycarbonate. What are you gonna do? It's not a major problem. I don't see any problems with a plastic back. It's more durable. It feels good, alright? It feels good, just like one of those Samsung phones that have a matte textured finish at the back. Even it's glass and it's polycarbonate, it's good, alright? Stop complaining. Rear cameras rocking a 12, 64, and 12 megapixels. 64 megapixels go in your telephoto, and the rest is 12 megapixels for your ultra wide main camera. And front camera, you're getting 10 megapixels. And look at that magnificent OLED screen, Zach. 2400 by 1080p, yes, 1080p. Alright, Samsung has got to cut costs in here. Dynamic AMOLED FHD Plus running at 120 Hz. How smooth can you get with 120 Hz, Zach? That is superfluous. Alright, superfluous is the term. I don't even know what that means. But super fluid. Alright, so this unit in particular comes with 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. It's not the best, it's not the biggest, but hey, well-rounded, most balanced, just like I said from the beginning. Single SIM, no micro USB slot. Very sad. I've been talking a lot of these things that they cut out just to reach the cost, but we're reaching modern times here, people. Alright? This is a value phone. This is a very good phone. And Samsung felt the need to cut some costs. Well, there's probably a good reason for it. And one of those best reasons is lowering the price. You heard it here. Value and quality. Android 12, 4000 milliamp hours of battery. Not the biggest. Yeah, but it's acceptable. No headphone jack. Oh my goodness, Zach, that seems to be a problem. Here's your Type-C. Here is your speaker grill and your microphone. Here at the right side is all of your buttons, power buttons, volume rockers, and there's nothing else in the left side. Just like what I told you, I'm not going here for the full in-depth review of the phone. I'm just running through the specs. My friend, I'm a fan. You can go ahead and subscribe to his channel. He's the one that's going to do a full in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy S21. So, what we're here for really is this. Look at that, Zach. Look at the package. And what's inside the package, huh? What's inside the package? Mind if we take a peek inside. This is it, folks. Look at that. We have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro in Phantom Violet color. Phantom Violet color, look at that, Zach. Very nice. And the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 in black. Phantom black. Pristine black. Prestigious black. All kinds of black. First, Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright, very nice, nifty, small box in here. You have your little features here. Feature set. Alright. Alright, oh, okay. So here are the buds themselves, and here is, of course, your ways how to wear it. Warn people how to wear the buds. Here's your quick paperwork. There's a lot of paperwork. I'm not even going to go in depth into all of these paperworks. Alright, here is you have your charging cable and your ear tips inside of these. And here is the buds themselves. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Phantom Violet. Phantom Violet. Phantom Purple. Matches the S21 Purple. Wow, look at that, Zach. Are you seeing this? Look at that. Buds Pro, successor to all your Buds, Samsung Buds Plus, Samsung Buds Live. And now they're going in around the Samsung Buds 2 and Buds 2 Pro. These, very Samsung Buds Pro. Alright, let's show how things work around here, Zach. Alright, there goes your connecting animation. You can go ahead and connect. Actually, it reconnects automatically. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro had their very own chipset inside. Two-way speaker, 11mm subwoofer, and 6.5mm for the tweeter. It's engineered in such a way that it stacks on top of each other. So it has that two-way speakerphone effect. I've been told that these buds are equipped with triple microphone setups. Right, Zach, here's your little air vent, extra microphone. Here's your little proximity sensors, these black ones here. And there's also a microphone up here, I believe. There you go. Microphone up here. Even a microphone from inside. That's a triple microphone setup. It's for improving the ANC and ambient sound modes, which is really cool if you can ask me. 5 hours in the earbuds with ANC on, 8 hours in the earbuds with ANC turned off. You can get a total of 18 hours, including the case, with ANC on, and 28 hours, including the case, with ANC off. Sensors, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, Hall, touch, VPU. These are just touch sensors, no buttons here. You have your basic controls, the single tap, double tap, triple tap, and even the long tap, which is customizable. You can change your ambient modes. You can change it to active noise cancellation. And these have a lot of features. These have a lot of nifty features that they want to impress. They have this freaking automatic voice detect, but it automatically switches to ambient sound mode and hears you talking to other people. Isn't that convenient? Also capable of 360 Dolby Studio audio. That's right, 360 audio on Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright, wearing the earbuds right now. This has this very unique kind of fit to it because sometimes it just doesn't fit in your ear. See, I was speaking, there goes ambient sound mode, I turned it off. You can even customize the ambient sound modes, how much customization you want to put on it, alright? Even here on your active noise cancellation, you can even customize it by making it very low or very high. Capable of Bixby, capable of automatic switching when you have one or more Samsung devices. You can do your find your phone, find your earbuds. It actually also works here. They have an built-in speaker. What am I talking about? Zach. Wireless power charge. You can just slap in at the back of your S21 and charge it wirelessly. How convenient is that? And IPX7 rating. It can go wet, alright, but not advisable when you're swimming. Don't wear these while swimming. They can handle your sweat, they can handle the rain, but don't go swimming with these, alright? Very not advisable. Now onto the big boy, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Alright. Okay, oh. Whoa! Look at this thing, Zach. You see? Zach. So here is your paperwork, I'm guessing. Oh my goodness. So you have your very standard paperwork, your quick start guide, warranty card. Alright, Zach. Here is your charging dock. Alright? USB type A, magnetic charging dock. Very nice, very convenient. And here is the watch itself. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 40mm. I have here is the 40mm version. It's black, capable of NFC, Bluetooth V 5.0. Main display is 1.4 inches. Processor, yes, it has a processor. It has a chip, same with the buds. It has all sorts of sensors: accelerometer, barometer, gyro sensor, geomagnetic, light sensor, optical heart rate sensor, electrical heart sensor, bioelectrical. I can keep going and going on. There's a lot of sensors in this watch. This is actually the first, alright, the very first Samsung Galaxy watch that is equipped with Wear OS, Google's very own Wear OS. As you know, Wear OS is very versatile. Display, Super AMOLED, resolution of 450 by 450, RAM 1.5 gigabytes, ROM 16 gigabytes, 361 milliamp hours of battery. Samsung claims it is capable of 40 hours of typical usage time. Swipe down to open the quick panel. For apps, alright, swipe up from the bottom edge. Ooh, okay. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. Alright, okay. For notifications, swipe right. And for tiles, you have here tiles, also known as your widgets. There's a lot of widgets here. Press the home you want to go, the home button, alright. So here you actually have your home button. I forgot to showcase that. So let's go ahead and do that since we're here in the tutorial part. Look at this watch, Zach. Super sleek. Home button. There you go. And that's it. Alright. So here is your home button. It has a red and orange accent here. Alright. And here is your back button. So here's the back of the device. All of your sensors are right here. Your Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, it's bragging with its 360 Dolby Audio and automatic voice detect. Well, this one is bragging. It is capable of computing and detecting your entire body composition. Even able to detect heart rate and even run ECG, which is insane. It happens to some countries. I don't know if it's applicable to my country or to your country of choice. So there's a lot of features. There's a lot of things to go around here with the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Look at that. Just insane how smooth that is. Wow. So as I told you earlier, I'm not going to go in depth with the Samsung Galaxy S21, with the Samsung Galaxy Watch, and even the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. I'm not going to go in depth with them. My friend, I'm a fan, alright, you already know who that guy is. Go ahead and subscribe to him so you can see. He's gonna make his own in-depth review with all of these devices, how it works well in the Samsung ecosystem, how seamless and great it is to have all of these devices. So really, Roo, can you go ahead and check me out? Like, I'm gonna look like this. I'm like fully jacked Samsung. Is this cool? Really, Roo, fully jacked Samsung. What can you say? Fully jacked Samsung. I got a Samsung S21. I got a Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, right? Watch 4, 40mm. And I'm rocking with some, alright, I'm rocking with some Buds Pro. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. How's that? How's that feel for you? Huh? How's that feel? It's crazy how Samsung is on its way on being the default smartphone. The default. It's crazy. Ecosystem they're building, I mean, you gotta admit, it has its flaws, yes, it has Bixby. Bixby, but look, just look how far they've gone. And if you haven't owned a Samsung device yet, what are you doing? What are you doing? Really, Roo? What are you doing? You're an iPhone man? You're an Apple man, really, Roo? Stay tuned for my friend's review of all of these devices in depth. He's going to be testing them, daily driving these things. He's going to test them all in the field and see how they match up in the end. Be prepared to check out his in-depth review. Is going to come in very far, actually, not very soon. He's a busy man. Alright, so what are you waiting for? Grab some Samsungs, grab some Galaxies, and live your life. This is the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem for you.